Hello boys and girls, Craig Miller here. I'm at Nettleton High School, my alma mater, ever wise and true, and I'm here for Career Day. I'm going to be walking around the campus asking people what they want to be when they grow up. Here to help me out is my good friend Doug Pierce and my even better friend Mr. Airhorn. So, you ready, Doug? Let's get it started.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.
All right, here we are at Nettleton High School. What is your name, young lady?
Name, sorry.
Name, what is your name?
Lindsay McVeigh.
What do you want to be when you grow up? What's your name? Julian, what's your name? All right. What do you guys want to be whenever you grow up?
Well, I want to go to the NBA, but if that don't work, I want to have my own business.
Oh my God!
I want to have my own
That's what that was earlier.
lady, that's scary.
My name's Lauren. One's Mercedes, Whitney, and Kara.
All right. And what do y'all want to be when you grow up?
My name's Lynn Meredith.
Alexa Tramble.
Man, y'all always got that air horn.
What you gonna be? What you want to be like whenever you?
Finally. When I grow up, we'll be a cop.
What about you?
When I grow up.
These guys are nerves of steel, man.
This thing's dying, man. My name is Jake Pardue.
Jake, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a physical therapist when I grow up.
Very cool, man.
Casey Emerson.
That's it. How y'all doing? We're making. Are y'all okay? We're doing making a video for the Career Day Thursday. Would y'all guys like to be on it? It could be a big break. We're just interviewing people for the Career Day deal. Going to ask them. That's what we're doing.
Oh my goodness. That's cool.
What do you do when you grow up? That's that is that's hey, can I stop y'all for just a second? We're making a video for the
Oh my goodness.
Are you okay?
That's awesome.
I'm get a good shot of you. What we're doing is scaring people. That's what we're doing. I got to
You're not funny.
just a little bit closer together if you can. I know it's kind of tight. Ronnie, just what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be an investigator.
Investigator. All right, very good. Did that scare you at all when he blew that horn? You'd be a great investigator. It doesn't scare you a bit. Miss Steve, how you doing? We're making a video for the Career Day, and
My name's Ashley Churchwell.
Ashley, and Ashley, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I think I'm gonna hairdresser when I grow up. That was weird. I'm gonna be a hairdresser, cosmetologist.
A hairdresser. Okay. We got some of Nettleton's finest right here. Are y'all girls excited about career day?
Yeah, I'm excited about career day. I want to be a dancer. I want to be a dancer. If you want my body, if you think very excited about career
That's
day.
great. That's great song.
Row, row, row your boat. Shit. Hey, no, not again. No, what are you doing? Y'all messing up my thing. I'm trying to be on TV. You scaring me.
That's great. All right, what's your name?
Precious Jones.
Precious Jones. Okay, Precious, what do you want to be whenever you grow up?
When I grow up, I would like to be a cardiologist.
A cardiologist.
I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yes.
That's good.
Oh
Hey.
my gosh.
I'm sorry.
I was shy. I feel like I've been punked. Oh my God.
Coach Fowler, we're here for career day.